Here you come. Are you coming? Yay! You gonna go that way now? Turn it around. You gonna push the button? You're silly. You gonna come this way now? Can you walk? Show me. Oh. What's inside? What do you have in there? You have a dolly? Are you giving your dolly a ride? Uh-oh, watch her leg. What's in there? Yeah, say, Dolly, go in all the way. Put her in there. Push her down. Good job. Lizzie, can you come here? Can you bring it over here? Stand up. Up. You can do it. Try again. Oh, bye-bye.